If you're using a Tecno Pop 10, Pop 10 Pro, or Pop 10C and you can't find the app lock feature in your phone settings, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an alternative way to lock your apps using a separate application. This method is especially useful if your Tecno doesn't have a built-in app lock option. You'll be able to protect apps such as WhatsApp, Gallery, Messages, Facebook, or any other application you want to keep private. First, open the Google Play Store and search for a trusted app lock application. Choose an app with good ratings and a large number of downloads, then install it on your Tecno phone. After installation, open the app lock application and follow the instructions on the screen. You'll usually need to create a PIN, password, or pattern that will be used to protect your apps. Next, give the application the permissions it requests. These permissions are necessary for the app locker to detect when a protected application is opened. Now select the apps you want to lock. For example, you can choose WhatsApp, Photos, Gallery, or your Messages app. Once everything is configured, close the app lock application and try opening one of the protected apps. You should now be asked to enter your PIN, password, or pattern before the app can be accessed. So, if your Tecno Pop 10, Pop 10 Pro, or Pop 10C doesn't have a built-in app lock, installing a dedicated app is a simple solution.